Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're gonna show you how to easily connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone. First things first, we need to get your Xbox controller into pairing mode so your iPhone can find it. To do that, turn on your Xbox controller. Then, look on the back of the controller for that little pair button. Press and hold it for a few seconds. You'll know you've done it right when the light on the controller starts blinking super fast. That means it's ready to pair.
Alright. Now switch over to your iPhone.
Head into your Settings app, and then tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Once it's on, your iPhone will start searching for nearby devices. You should see something pop up that says, Xbox Wireless Controller, but it might also show up as Gamepad or something similar. Tap on that device, and in a few seconds, it'll connect to your Xbox controller. It might ask you if you want to pair, so go ahead and click Pair. After another short wait, it'll be connected. Now you can start using your Xbox controller to play games on your iPhone just like you normally would. One quick tip, if you ever want to disconnect or forget the device, just go back into your Bluetooth settings on your iPhone, find the Xbox controller in the list, and tap the little icon next to it. Then you can select Forget this device. So there you have it. Your Xbox controller is now paired with your iPhone, and you're ready to game. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more helpful tech tips and tricks.